Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find your Facebook user ID and username. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, first of all, you will find the option that is username. Tap on the three dots that is next to the edit profile option, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now you can tap on copy profile link, and now you can open any browser that you use. I can open Chrome. After opening the browser, you can now tap on search, and you can paste the link that you copied on Facebook, and here this is your username on Facebook, and now you will find the user ID. Now you can just simply go back again to the Facebook app, and now you can go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you can just simply tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down and here in your activity section you can find the option apps and websites. Tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading you will scroll down, and here you can just simply find the one more option that is user ID, and this is the way you will find username and user ID on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.